1 lemon, and my oven shines like new. It's a simple, natural method that helps remove grease buildup and burnt stains without chemicals. All you need is 1 lemon sliced thinly. It's a fruit not only rich in vitamin C, but also a highly effective cleaning agent. Thanks to its citric acid content, it works wonders in dissolving grease, removing tough stains, and neutralizing unpleasant odors. After slicing the lemon, place the slices on a baking tray and cover them with water, just enough to create a thin layer at the bottom. Then, put the tray in the oven and set it to a high temperature. Leave it for about 20 minutes to generate lemon steam. The heat will cause the lemon juice to evaporate, and its cleaning properties will soften the burnt food remnants and greasy buildup. After this time, simply wipe the oven interior with a paper towel or a damp cloth. The result? Sparkling cleanliness without the need for harsh detergents. A clever trick for cleaning a burnt induction cooktop. No scrubbing or scratches. This method takes just a few minutes and helps keep your induction cooktop spotless, preventing tough stains and white marks from building up. Here's how to do it. Pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl and mix it with water. Take a dry cloth and dampen it with the soapy water. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the cooktop. Baking soda helps to remove stubborn stains. Place the damp cloth over the dirty areas and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This allows the baking soda to penetrate and lift the grime. The dish soap enhances this effect. Afterward, thoroughly wipe down the induction cooktop. This step is crucial to avoid residue buildup. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent permanent stains from forming. Clean the inside of your fridge with this method, and you'll never have frost on its back wall again. If water droplets in your fridge turn into frost, it indicates the appliance is not functioning properly. This can lead to inadequate cooling of the stored food. There are several reasons for this issue. Frequent opening of the fridge allows too much warm and humid air inside. Setting the fridge temperature too low can also negatively affect its performance, causing condensation on the walls to freeze instead of draining away. Another reason might be placing warm, steaming food into the fridge. Finally, a worn-out door seal can contribute to the problem. Regardless of the cause, you can prevent frost buildup on the back wall. Simply dilute 3 tablespoons of vinegar in 1 liter of water and use it to clean the fridge interior. Vinegar slows frost formation because it doesn't freeze at typical fridge temperatures, and its scent evaporates quickly without affecting the stored food. Additionally, vinegar kills mold spores, eliminating any potential growth inside the fridge. After cleaning with vinegar, wipe the fridge interior with glycerin. Glycerin forms a protective layer that also prevents ice buildup and doesn't freeze in fridge temperatures. Regularly clean your fridge with vinegar and glycerin, and you'll forget about frost problems for a long time. Put the pan in a plastic bag. Just 4 ingredients and an ordinary bag will make your pan look brand new. Cleaning burnt pans and pots can be a real hassle, but this simple trick changes everything. Start by pouring a glass of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes grease. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of salt. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to give the surface a shiny finish. Stir the mixture well. These ingredients work together to eliminate stains and restore metal surfaces. Now take a plastic bottle, unscrew the cap, and heat it slightly. Make a small hole. Pour in the cleaning solution and close it tightly. This creates an easy-to-use applicator for the mixture. Place the dirty pan in a plastic bag and evenly coat it with the solution, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Seal the bag tightly and let it sit for 1 hour. Afterward, take the pan out and scrub it with a metal scouring pad. Then rinse with water. Your pan will be clean and shiny like new. This trick keeps cookware in perfect condition without using harsh chemicals. Ever since I started cleaning my stove this way, my gas bills have been much lower. Plus, cooking is faster, and the burners are more powerful. Anyone with a gas stove should give it a good cleaning every now and then. Food residue and dust can clog the burners and their internal parts. If the flame color changes while cooking, that's a sign it's time to clean. Start by removing the burner from the stove. Take some toothpaste and apply it to the metal part. Then, using a silicone brush, spread it thoroughly into all the crevices. If you don't have a brush, you can use an old toothbrush or even your fingers. It's important to be thorough. The toothpaste should cover the entire surface. Repeat this with each burner and place them in a bowl. Add a large spoonful of salt to the bowl, followed by a spoonful of baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties. Pour a generous amount of dish soap onto the spoon and add it to the bowl. Its degreasing properties will tackle burnt-on oil and grease stains effectively. Pour warm water over everything and let it sit for 30 minutes. After that, take each part out one by one and scrub them with a sponge. A few swipes are enough for the dirt to come off easily. Cleaning the stove will be quick and enjoyable. Now let's move on to cleaning the rest of the stove. You'll need some plastic wrap. Tear off a small piece and wrap it around the igniter. Then spray the stove with a kitchen cleaner. Don't scrub it with a sponge. Instead, take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it over the stove, covering it completely. Leave it on for 15 minutes. This will enhance the cleaner's effectiveness, saving you extra work. After 15 minutes, simply remove the plastic wrap. Remember to remove it from the igniters as well. Food residue will stick to it. Now just wipe with a damp sponge and you're done. Use cotton swabs to clean the inside of the burners to remove any leftover dirt and water. This will allow gas to flow freely. A thoroughly cleaned stove will have greater power. Your gas bills will be lower because the burners will work as they should. How do you clean your stove? Did you know the methods I shared in this video? Your sandwich maker will be clean in seconds, without the tedious scrubbing of burnt residue. If you're wondering how to clean your sandwich maker quickly and effectively, this method is for you. Any sandwich lover uses their sandwich maker frequently, but cleaning it isn't as enjoyable. If the sandwich maker is used often, it becomes increasingly difficult to clean. Some people even stop using it because they don't know how to clean it properly. But the solution is very simple. Next time your sandwich maker gets dirty, use the paper towel trick. Every sandwich maker manual should mention this cleaning method. And it's not just about wiping the surface with a paper towel. You need to use it in a rather unusual way. Tear off a few pieces of paper towel. Prepare a bowl of water. Dip the paper towel pieces into the water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now spread these pieces of paper towel on the sandwich maker. They can overlap. Close the sandwich maker and turn it on for a few minutes. The high temperature and steam from the water will loosen the burnt residue. The paper towels will absorb all the dirt. Use kitchen tongs to remove them. Gently wipe the surface of the sandwich maker with the damp paper towels, and you're done.